When performing K-Electromoxa treatment for low back pain using fixation bands and holders, first select a large-sized elastic band and wrap it around the lower back with appropriate tension. Then, place a long holder underneath the band, secure it in position, and proceed with the treatment. For neck pain, choose a medium-sized elastic band and wrap it around the treatment area with light tension, ensuring that it does not interfere with breathing. Insert a short holder under the band, secure it, and begin the treatment. For Zhongwan, CV12, wrap a large elastic band around the abdomen with appropriate tension, place a circular holder underneath, secure it, and proceed with treatment. For knee treatment, there are two methods: attaching terminals individually to each acupuncture point, or using holders to secure multiple terminals at once. First, select a medium-sized elastic band and wrap it around the knee with appropriate tension. Then, insert and secure the terminals at points such as Dubi, ST35, Nixian, EX, LE4, Ingu, KI10, Tuchuan, LR8, and other ashi points where pain is present, and proceed with the treatment. When using holders, place a long holder under the band at the Dubi, ST35, Nixian, EX, LE4, points, and a short holder at areas with more severe pain such as Ingu, KI10, Tuchuan, LR8. Secure them in place before starting the treatment. For shoulder pain, select a medium-sized elastic band and wrap it around the shoulder with appropriate tension. Since the causes and locations of shoulder pain can vary widely, determine the treatment points based on diagnosis and the patient's pain areas. Insert and secure the terminals under the band at points such as Jianxian, EX, UE12, Jinyu, Li15, Jianliao, TE14, as well as ashi points, and then proceed with the treatment. For elbow pain, select two medium-sized elastic bands and wrap them around the affected areas with appropriate tension. At sites with severe pain, place and secure a short holder under the band. For areas with milder pain, attach terminals directly and proceed with the treatment. For wrist pain, select a small-sized elastic band and insert the wrist through the dedicated opening located at the center of the band. Then, attach and secure the terminals at key wrist points such as Yanggu, SI5, Yangshi, TE4, Yangshi, Li5, as well as ashi points where pain is present, and proceed with the treatment. For finger pain, use the small hole at the end of the small-sized elastic band and place it over the affected finger joint. Then, attach terminals on both sides, secure them in place, and proceed with the treatment.